Alright guys, welcome back to the shop, and I've just spent probably 3.5 hours tearing down that parts truck to get the air box out. The air box has an issue. I've got to deal with it. I couldn't adapt it from the old air box. I'm not going to show that video. I spent about an hour trying to adapt it, but the old air box was just a bad design or something. But anyway, we're going to go ahead, and I got a radio out of that truck, so we're going to go ahead and install the radio. I'm going to set you up in the cab. Alright, so when we last left off, we were talking about running this wire on up to the fuse block. And I think I mentioned in that other video that I didn't have a good radio to put in here, and I don't know if this radio is good, but it's all complete. So why not try it? It does have a brace, and I'm not sure if it's factory, but there's enough damn holes in the bottom of this. I believe one of them will fit that brace. I don't know who in the hell drilled all these holes in here. But anyway, they're there. So getting that brace in shouldn't be that big a deal. So we're going to be mounting this antenna right in this hole, these two mounting holes right here. This truck has the antenna in the windshield. Wrap this stuff around a little bit. Get up in there. Wires up in there. Might be a lot of it with just a socket. Keep the socket from dropping through the holes. No. Wouldn't think it'd be that difficult to screw two little screws in. Here's our radio. And according to this on the front, or on the back right here, I see it on the bottom. Right rear, left front, right front, and then lamp, antenna, ground, and battery plus. But it don't really tell you, right here is where it's at. It don't tell you which one of these really corresponds to. So what I'm doing is I'm looking inside the colors, and I believe the power wire going to be the top one. I'd rather be the bottom one. I believe that's going to be right. The power wire goes on the bottom of it. This is the power wire. So we're going to get up in there and try to get a nut on it. Just hold it steady. Keep it from falling out. Somebody's damaged this side. I don't know why, but it was damaged. Now we'll find us a place to stick this brace bolt here. actually. These things only go one way. So they only go one way. So they ain't no getting them backwards. The plugs will only fit one way, and you'll see how it's obvious the way they fit. And I'm gonna have to climb on the other side and look at the antenna. Alright, so the HVAC control that came out of this truck looks like crap. The HVAC controls that come on my parts truck looks great. The only problem is I cut the vacuums on it. So what I need to do is I need to swap the vacuum systems over. So that's just a couple little clips. So on the vacuum system, you just got a couple clips here that holds the vacuum lines on. You can see this one is nice and this one is crappy. Missed a bunch of buttons. Now I could probably swap the buttons, but ain't no guarantee this thing will stay on. So I'm gonna go swap these controllers out, and I might just swap this whole white piece out. I believe I can. I don't know what size that is. Probably a 7 or a half or a quarter. This is gonna be a quarter. Let me see what I can do with that and we'll get back with you. Alright guys, so we got a little bulb right here that goes in here. I'm gonna go ahead and change this bulb out right quick. So, got a bunch of these bulbs, but they're all used. I don't know if they're any good or not. Some things are kind of expensive. You buy them. So what I did on here, I just swapped out this piece here instead of taking all that loose. It makes it a lot easier. Now to get this junk mess here routed where it needs to be. It's got a route down that way. And of course the brake cable is going to be the worst of it. Push this up out of the way here. And then we'll work our way down with our vacuum lines. And of course they want to hang up on everything. But the good thing is, there's no dash on here. It's easier to stick your hand back here and help them out a little bit. Just that will stay out of my way and help. And don't get too worried about where all these vacuum lines go. You can pretty much tell once you start routing stuff what goes where, because they didn't leave no extra length on these things. So if it won't go but to the first one, it's probably the one it goes to. So now we'll stick our bulb in. No, actually, loosen that clamp up a little bit right there. This bulb. I'll move that. And then we got a plug here. We got one plug that's got 3 prongs and one plug that's got all the prongs. So one of them's gonna go there and the other one's gonna go there. Uh-oh. Make sure you got it going in the hole. One with all the prongs is gonna go to the fan switch. We gotta find some bolts for it. Because all these is gonna be either a 1/4 or 7mm. Probably 7s. And a 1/4. I'm gonna kind of leave these a little bit on the loose side till you get them all in. And don't over tighten these things because this plastic little tab will break real easy. Bam. Looks like it's pretty good. Now, I guess we're ready to put our pedals in, our gas pedal, and then our regular other pedals.